this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I am going to use that cut file with all this busy paper that I absolutely love, from Dan, it's Damask Love, I think is how it's said. So I am using I only have the papers of this Sunshine one and some of the stickers, and then I'm using Life's a Party, and I'm using some of them, or some of those papers from that collection. So I drew a line around, and I am going to do some splattering with that, or with the paint stick, and then I will then put a little on my paper, or on my section right there. You'll see me put a little bit more, and then I do a little bit of a lighter section. So this is Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, and I am using one of the new releases for May. It is in the shop. It is the second one that she has done for the waves, and I absolutely love this cut file. I think it's perfect. And yes, I went very busy, but yet very satisfying. Everything is so busy about this layout. I don't even think I used a single solid paper. It's all pattern based. So as you can tell there, I did, now you guys may not see it, but the yellows got pattern on it, and it's got I think lightning bolts on one set, and the other one is kind of like that pink that I have in there. So the pictures that I'm using is when we went to Tybee Island last year. A good friend of mine, Grace, and their children, and we all went, and we spent Memorial Day weekend. Yeah, was it? Memorial Day weekend down in Tybee Island, and we just had some fun. It was a blast. And so this is while we were at the beach, and I decided to make this a very fun page, and yeah, so that is it. Let's see here. Life update. We're done with state testing. I think I've already said that, but we're done with state testing. I am down to less than 2.5 weeks of school. I am, as much as I am grateful that I had the set of kids that I had, the 22 students, I am ready for them to go to 4th grade. They need to flourish in that grade level, because I am ready for a new set of kids. This year has been a lot on those kids, a lot on me, a lot on everybody. And yeah, so that is kind of where I'm at. My Joshua just had his sixth RFI done. Now, you guys have seen it. You guys have seen these done before. I've talked about the RFI before. It's just been since 2019. With, the crazy of the world has been, and then him being deployed and everything, he wasn't able to get it done until now, which is fine by us, because we ended up getting the same doctor that we've had in the past, because with military, you don't always get the same doctors, but luckily enough, the doctor that we have is civilian, and she's been around. So that works out perfect there. Kaylin, so Kaylin has gotten her IEP taken care of back in April, and now that was done, we were able to set up her doctor's appointment. And due to her hormones and her outbursts that she has at home, she doesn't really do them in school, but it's more of outbursts at home because she's very sensitive. We ended up putting her on some ADHD medicine, and we have seen a drastic change. She is no longer yelling at us. For example, tonight, if I would have not had her on the medicine and we asked her to do 3 things that took her away from her YouTube, she would have flipped her lid on us. and she mopped the floors for us. She helped me finish cooking, and she's done a few things for Josh. And that would have set her off, where now she just does it. And so it's so much better. It's so much more relief, and it works for our family. Now, I'm not, like I said, I'm not an expert on it, but I have seen it for like school-wise and things like that. So I've seen it on both spectrums. And this was really good for her. So here I am. I'm taking all of these little dots and stuff, and I use them all up. I put the gummy bears in certain spots. I place them all in different spots. Yes, I put some in the tree, but then you see me move them. Or I think I moved them. I can't remember. Somewhere down the line, I do move, I think, those ones that are up in the tree. Yep, I do. Excuse me. So sorry. But yes, I do move the bears. I move them down. I was going to leave them there, but then I decided to put this bird there instead. I did pull out some Dear Lizzie, but here it is. And I thought I was done, and then I put my black line, and then I'm done. The still shots are coming up. Make sure you go check out Confessions of the Paper Edit Cut File Shop. And I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.